Cindy, mama phone in namhlanje.
I'm Samkelisiwe Mullo. I'm playing the character of Cindy Kambule. Mom, I'm just going to work. Why are you so worried about how I look?
Cindy, angewazi ukuthi uzoyithola makuyinini date.
Ma, I would know if I had a date. I'm running late, Ma.
Awumazi
Bye.
uNkulunkulu.
Ma. This character is a bit opposite to who I am. She's very she doesn't talk too much. She's like confused. She's not even a combination of her mom and her dad, because her mom always wants things to be perfect. Yes, okay, they are similar there, but the mom wanted to find a husband. She even goes to the newspaper, she goes everywhere, and she just puts a lot of pressure on Cindy.
Awuzoskip ibreakfast. Hlala phansi udle. Ufuna ukuthi mhla uthola umkhonyana athi mina ngangiqisha ukudla. Hlala phansi udle sisi. Angikufakelanga la sausage bakithi ngoba ngicabangile ukuthi umuntu wesifazane fanele athole sausage selithola kumyeni wakhe seshadile.
Ma, I enjoyed the cast. It's just awesome. The directors, like everybody's awesome. The cameraman, like everything is just beautiful for me. And yeah, I had fun.
Oh, let's go to my swap.
What's for?
Yo.